Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide and steps on how to set up Passkey on crypto.com. So here's a simple workaround on how you can easily do that. So the first thing to do is your first step is to open your crypto app on your mobile device and log in into your account. Then from there, tap the security icon, which is usually at the top left or top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select security. From there, tap Passkey login or enable Passkey. Then after that, you have to follow the on-screen prompt to use your device biometric method, which is if you're an iPhone user, you have to enable the Face ID or the Touch ID biometric method, and if it is Android, you have to use the fingerprint or the face recognition for your for Android. So it depends on any of the device you have. So after that, you have to confirm the setup when prompted. Then your passkey will be saved to your device. Then after that, you can test by logging out and logging back in. Then you should see the passkey option, and that's how you can easily set up your passkey on crypto.com. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.